So, since he's an old student and he has gone through many things, okay, the same thing you also have to go. And remember, just like how you are watching like this, whether will I get job or not, in the same manner he was also watching when I was taking the introductory class. Are you happy at least now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so at least he is happy now. So I just want him to enlighten some of the things, whatever the experience he has gone through. So if you have any doubts, any questions are there, you can talk to him because he's a matured person with respect to all these interviews and all. He has seen many interviews. So any questions are there, you can talk to him and you can get the suggestion from him. Am I clear here?
My name is Sheikh. I came from Warangal district. My native is near to the Warangal district, and I was completed my graduation in Hyderabad itself in Deccan College of Engineering and Technology. I was from electrical background, but it was a wrong guidance that had given to me, and then I chose software as my aim and goal to be placed as a software engineer. So I had working since from my first year itself. Just like normal, how to solve the programming and how to solve the code, what is the process of execution process of coding, like that I have gone through that, and after that I came here. My elder brother suggested me to join in JSpiders. Here Vivek sir, one of the senior faculty. I'm also the student of Vivek sir. I have listened Vivek sir classes up to 15 classes, but I have got more knowledge in Vivek sir batch means he used to give all the exact and deep knowledge in the coding, and he will give clear cut what is there in that and how the code was executing. Everything was clear cutly explained in this class. And after that, Vivek sir gone for some issues, means he got some problems, so he went to home, and I don't know. And I continued with the Jagannath sir batch. He also gave a clear-cut clarity in the coding, and I think I was joined here since from 4 months. But for after 2 months, I got placed in the Virtusa itself. Means I got placed as an intern in Virtusa. There I have learned many things. Means at first I want to say that means here when we came here for jobs itself, and we think that we need to place, without knowledge also we will think like that, we need to place, everyone has this